So exercise 8.6 application of maxima and minima. Question number 11, he said we are given with a triangle whose two sides are given A and B. I told you the given thing means it is constant. So A side, B side are constant given. Like if this is A and this is B, it can be like this also. Suppose 5 centimeter and 7 centimeter. It can be like this also. A and B. So what you feel is the variable here is theta. Angle between them is theta. So theta is the only variable thing here, as this is the triangle. Sides are given constant, theta is the variable given. Question is for what value of theta? For what value of theta will the maximum area of this triangle? We'll have the maximum area of the triangle. Area of triangles, you can see if theta is variable, then area of triangle is also varying. So for what value of theta, this you need to find. For what value of theta the triangle will have the maximum area. Now the concept is the given things are constant. Here it is A and B are constant, theta is the variable. Area maximum, we need to differentiate that area. So area of this triangle is, let us say this is height h. Obviously h is also variable. So half base into height. Now in this triangle what will be your h? H upon A, P upon H is equal to sin theta. P upon H is equal to sin theta. We got H is equal to A sin theta. We got H is equal to A sin theta. So it is half B A sin theta. Now A and B are fixed constant given, theta is the only variable. Now your area depends on single variable theta. So differentiate it with respect to theta. Differentiate it with respect to theta. For maximum or minimum, put it equal to 0. For maximum or minimum, put it equal to 0. So cos theta 0 means you get theta is equal to pi by 2. Now check whether at this point it is maximum or minimum. For checking maximum minimum, we need to double differentiate it. At theta pi by 2, sin pi by 2 is 1, so it is, as A and B are sides, so this whole thing is negative. Negative means that area is maximum at theta is equal to pi by 2, and that is what you need to find. For what value of theta will your area is maximum? He may ask you that maximum area also. So your maximum area will be, that is AB by 2 into sin theta. AB by 2 into sin theta is pi by 2. So we got it AB upon 2 will be the maximum area. A and B are given constants. Just write it down.